Hi, welcome back to Visage. We ended kind of abruptly last time on Dolores' chapter, and we're going to continue Dolores' chapter because I need to see it through. And I want to know what's up with Dolores. So let's dive in. Okay, back in here now. Boy, that's blurry as all hell. Storage room. Dynamic items that are essential to your progress will respawn in the storage room. One left behind. Cool. What have I got in here? Didn't my sledgehammer tell me it was going to spawn in here? Maybe not. Oh. Let's not do that yet. Let's just go back upstairs. Yeah, it does. See what's back here. No, can't turn that on. Okay. Basement key. I have a basement key. Hello? Do I need another light? Probably not. Dolores? Oh my god, the door slammed behind me. What is this, like an old comic? There's no way I can read that. That's way too blurry. Okay, Dolores, why are you slamming doors behind me? I don't know what all that noise just was. Let's go down. And mounting. Now we're gonna break our legs again. When will I learn? Will I learn? No. No. Are we gonna come out in the living room mirror again? Yep. Why is there a baby crying? Hello? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo! What was that? Sanity pills ASAP. Dolores is not fucking around. Oh my god. Can I get into this room yet? Still jammed. Push! Push! Hello, Dolores. I've unlocked a new doorway. What will you do about it? She's standing in the door. That light just turned back off. Sanity pills? Very funny, Dolores. Never gone up here. Dolores? Oh, she just charged me, but she didn't. Oh my god, that was intense. Guys, I've been running around here for 20 minutes. Lost, clueless. As of right now, it's truly a mystery what this game wants from me. Alright, so it turns out my game was bugged and I had to start all the way over because I couldn't get the hammer. So we're back with the hammer and we're kind of just back to where we started this video off at, but I just kind of wanted to start off here anyways because if I would have had the hammer, you know, first time standing here, I think things would have been a little bit different. So let's take this hammer out, let's put in some work. Okay, well yeah, we can just get all these lights on because I don't want them off. Yeah, we've already been in all these rooms, we've already checked out all this stuff. I know there's a mirror right here, I want to just smash it. Come on. Okay. It's jammed. Probably could be pried open with the right tool. Can't use that here, but that's the only tool I got. Let me use it here, you know? You can tell me a far-reaching hook can't pry open a window. I mean, that thing had a fucking good lip to it. Honestly, though, this whole hammer thing opens up a whole new world of what I can do down here. I think if I remember correctly, I saw a mirror back here, too. Yes, I did. Dolores?
What took you so long, George?
George?
You know when tea time is, and yet you always find a way to be late. Were you in your study room again, scribbling nonsense and talking to your recorder? I'm beginning to think you love your work more than me. I know you tire of me. Oh, yes.
You're a bit crazy.
I know you'd have me gone in a heartbeat if you could. It's just, I'm sorry. I'm just tired. Would you be a doll and fetch me some of my special tea? You know where it is. I'll wait here, George.
Key tag T box. I got a hammer and I'm not afraid to use it, Dolores. Don't make me use it. Another cassette. It's an audio cassette, though. I would like to find a Dwayne? Didn't you just call me George a second ago? Now who's Dwayne? Dolores, you're all sorts of crazy, aren't you? So she wants me to find her some tea. And honestly, I don't know where I would find her any tea. This is interesting, though. I don't like that yell that happens every time right behind I break the mirror. Hello? Okay. Where does this go to now? Well, it's pretty dark. Somehow it won't light up. Yeah, I'm sure. Yep, let's just not go down that. We can't see where we're going, so I like to be able to see where I'm going. Dolores? What are you doing? Why is your head out? Twitchy? Funny pranks, Dolores. You're always so funny. Huh. Hello? An infusion bag? Dude, this guy got fucked up. Secret bookshelf? Nothing indicates which key unlocks it. Well, certainly not a key that I have. It's fucking creepy. Fucks with all your paintings in here, Dolores. This is creepy. Dude, she just peeks around that corner. She's like, peekaboo. I see you there, Dolores. She was right around that left side. That's so funny. Okay. What's through this door here? I don't like that room. Hello, I would like to come back in here now. What the fuck is this? Hello, why are the lights shutting off? Dolores! No! What? Dolores, you're supposed to be waiting for your tea. No. Your undoing is now inevitable. You can die? Do I try this again? Is there any way I can break out of here? I'm gonna try it one more time. Oh my god. Just in the nick of time. Hi, Dolores. You can't get me down here. Or can you? Please don't jump down. Yeah, you don't want to take that fall. She's too old. Now what's down here? You know, this is pretty unsettling. You found an eerie poem. Whirling in an everlasting dream, a two-sided moon with clouded vision lies down. You know what? I don't really care. Oh my god. There's so many bodies down here. Why do you got so many dead people in your house, Dolores? What's up with this? It's broken. Well, how do I fix it? The crank is missing. Okay, so I found a crank. Okay. What happens when I light all these up, though? Last one. Something had to have changed downstairs, right? Drawing seems to depict a butterfly. Butterfly, a moon, an eye, nothing, nothing, a skull, a human skull for that matter, nothing, a shadow. But what does a shadow have to do with anything? So butterfly, a moon, an eye, and a skull, and a shadow. Okay. So those three, maybe if I crank those three back up, because those don't have anything on them. Can I crank them back up? I couldn't crank this one because this one had the eye on it. Or not the eye, the skull. I had to crank this one back. This one had nothing. So now these are all the ones that had symbols on them. I'll see if that made any difference. No. Oh! So I only have to keep the moon, the eye, and the shadow. So I have to keep the eye, I have to keep the moon, so I can get rid of this one, and I can get rid of that one. I was onto something. Okay, so the chair's gone and a hole opened up. What? I never smashed this mirror. Hello? What's back here? It's locked. Nothing indicates which key unlocks it. Sick. I have like 3 of those locks now. Well, if I'm being honest, that did nothing for me. Open the door, damn it. Let's go put that audio cassette in. You don't scare me, Dolores. You're just gonna disappear.
Dolores now has moments of severe psychosis. She loses contact with reality for long periods of time. She hardly remembers me anymore. She's lost her trust in me, and it's becoming harder and harder to administer her treatments. She sometimes forgets where she is, or even the fact that she has to wear clothes. She keeps on scratching her nails or banging her head on doors. She murmurs gibberish sentences and roams aimlessly around the house. The other day, she even accused me of trying to poison her.
Maybe you did.
I don't think I can take much more of this. How am I supposed to work, take care of the baby, and deal with her dementia all at the same time?
That sounds like a you problem, man, not me. Anyways, I hope you figure it out. Where is our tea? You ain't got no tea out here, Dolores. Stormy outside. You know, man, we're gonna call it right there. I just want to get this video out. I've been stressing really hard about this game, and I've had a couple of issues with it where I've gotten lost and I've had to look a couple things up. Honestly, this has been a fairly confusing game for me. I will be getting another episode out soon. I know it was almost a month since my last upload, but this whole YouTube thing is new to me, so hope you enjoyed the episode. Hope we can make some more progress next time. Maybe we can find her tea next time. Anyways, guys, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Peace.